This is the kitchen elevator at the dining hall at St. Vincent College in Latrobe, Pennsylvania. This is a 70s Westinghouse with EPCO hydraulic. 2-3 doors and hospital-sized cab offices and service elevator. It's very dirty because this is being used by the dining hall staff. Tunnel level, which is a really creepy low-ceiling tunnel down there. But I'm not going to explore, and I don't really have time. I period go down. But there's an open machine room down there. There's no indicator. Here, tunnel level. Yeah, there's the machine room. There's similar, that's a dry powered machine, obviously. There's similar stuff there, but I thought Otis maintained this back up to upper level. Sounds kind of like a Dover Chewbacca motor. It is a Chewbacca motor. It's a basic figure ring cab. That cab panel is coming off and the handrail is also coming off. Black metal. Again, this elevator is very dirty because used by the kitchen here back at the upper level. All seems to be some construction going on. All right, that's it.